The ProArt LC 360 is a bit of an unorthodox choice, mainly because it ditches all the trends we see currently in most high-end coolers. It doesn't have a pump display, RGB lighting, or a VRM fan. Instead, it goes all in on performance, with top-of-the-line parts and numbers that put many coolers to shame. This is the first ProArt cooler from ASUS, apart from the 420 radiator version, so it has no direct predecessor. However, we can compare it to the Prime LC 360, a more mainstream option. The ProArt version has a thicker radiator, better performing fans, and lower noise levels. That all is to be expected since the ProArt line is pricier, but you also need to remember these coolers cater to different use cases. We'll get to that soon. Design-wise, the LC360 is a very sleek-looking cooler. It has an industrial all-metal look to it. The pump has a square top cover with an illuminated zone that indicates system load. It serves as a meter, and when the meter is all lit up, that means you're pushing your CPU and the AIO to their maximum performance. This pump cover has an all-metal design, meaning it's pretty heavy, and it has to be, as it houses a powerful 3-phase motor that tops out at 3,100 RPM. The tubing is braided and quite thick, allowing for a high flow rate. Unfortunately, there's no rotatable tubing, which is a bit of a downside at this price. Things look up again, though, if we talk about the fans. ASUS is using AlphaCool's Apex Stealth metal power fans that are incredibly powerful and quiet. These are the best radiator fans on the market, even better than the Noctua fans seen on the 420 radiator version of this same cooler. They run at a maximum speed of 3000 RPM. Of course, it's hard to ignore the main talking point here. This is a cooler with a very minimalist design, and it's catering to people who are anti-RGB. Not everyone will be a fan of this look, but you can't deny its sleek design because of its all matte black appearance and industrial design. Performance-wise, this thing is quite impressive because of the powerful pump and fans. It can handle power-hungry chips like the Intel Core i9-14900K at full load. Even above 300 watts, the temperatures never exceed a maximum of 90 degrees Celsius. Of course, that's barely realistic for most use cases, so in the range of 250 to 275 watts, expect temperatures in the 70 to 80 degree range. It delivers this high-end performance with surprisingly low noise levels. Even at full load, it never gets louder than 46 decibels. Not bad at all for such an unassuming-looking cooler. Competition-wise, it's hard to judge this one. The Corsair H150i Elite LCD XT comes to mind, as it's a cooler loaded with features, ARGB fans, an IPS display on the pump, and an overall stunning design. However, it is more expensive and doesn't deliver the performance or low noise levels of the ProArt LC360. To sum it up, this cooler is for those who are looking for low noise levels and the best possible performance. It lacks bells and whistles like RGB lighting, a pump display, and rotatable tubing, but it delivers on low temperatures and noise levels. For performance enthusiasts, this level of capability is hard to ignore at this price. To sum up, what I like is the unparalleled performance, the best radiator fans in the game, it's easy to install, and the minimalist industrial design. On the downside, it's lacking extra features. Thanks for staying till the end. Remember, you can check current prices in the description below.